How many milliliter per hour should the nurse get the pump to deliver? What is your order? 3.1 milligram IV bolus over 30 minutes. That's your order. What is the amount we have available? On hand, you have 3.1 gram in 50 milliliter of normal saline. And asking you how many milliliter per hour should the nurse get the pump to deliver? Where are you going is milliliter per hour. Do we need to convert one thing to another?
Yes.
What are we converting?
The minutes to hour.
Perfect. If we're going for milliliter per hour, then milliliter has to be as a numerator. We have per 50 ml, we have 3.1 gram times. What is your order? The order is 3.1 gram to run over 30 minutes. 3.1 gram over 30 minutes. Now, what are we converting to? Minutes per hour. How many minutes we have in 1 hour? 60 minutes, 1 hour. Now, we're gonna cancel everything out on gram. Cancel out gram. Minutes, cancel out minutes. What do we have left? We're left with ml per hour. If you multiply everything, you divide them up, you should get 100 ml per hour. 0.9 normal saline is irrelevant. It's just a type of solution, but has nothing to do with the calculation.